Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 395-397 Maple Avenue. This is Unit 1, located in Barrington, Rhode Island. This is a gorgeously updated, renovated first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we are here in the living area. You enter through the front entryway, you lead straight into this room. And right off the bat, you'll notice a gorgeous new vinyl wood flooring throughout the entire unit, excluding the bathroom. The bathroom actually has a very stylish tile flooring, but the entire unit does house a fresh new coat of paint throughout. Looks fantastic. You'll also notice the unit houses wide open windows, particularly the living area houses a gorgeous set of bay windows, lots of sunshine, and some great street views from here. Just some other things to note: good amount of outlets in this living area, plenty of space for all kinds of furniture setups, and on top of that, the unit actually houses some pretty high-rise ceilings. So, always a nice touch too. Sweet. So that's basically your living area in here. We'll turn around now and check out the centralized kitchen space that you have. So this kitchen is connected to the living area, leads to the bathroom and both bedrooms. Again, beautiful new floors, nice fresh coat of paint, wide open windows, lots of sunshine. You got a good amount of space for maybe a small size dining set, but with that being said, you do have plenty of countertop space and lots of cabinets throughout this kitchen. Have this nice little set right here next to the 2 bedrooms. And on top of that, around the stove, dishwasher, and sink, you have some large size cabinets up above, along with a couple of additional below the sink. So lots of cabinet space, lots of storage space. The appliances in this kitchen include the 4-burner stove and oven, of course, with the exhaust fan. You also have the dishwasher and the single bin stainless steel sink. Very nice. And last but not least, you also have the medium-sized refrigerator, all hooked up, ready to go. Awesome. So that is your kitchen space. Next, we'll start checking out the bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom we're looking at. Again, beautiful flooring and fresh paint. You actually have a lot of storage in this bedroom with this nice set of shelves and cabinets over here. On top of that, a nice little closet space next to it, so plenty of storage in this bedroom. Again, wide open windows, beautiful paint job. Recommended bed size, I would say to stick with a standard to full-size bed set in this bedroom. That'd probably be your best bet. The other bedroom could potentially fit a queen, but standard, full XL, those are my recommendations for this first bedroom. Awesome. All right. Speaking of which, let's check out the second bedroom. So this bedroom has a little bit more of a wide open space, not too different from the first. I would say they're pretty relatively close as far as size goes. But with that being said, I think a queen could potentially work in this bedroom. But personally, for other pieces of furniture, I would just recommend sticking with a standard full XL bed set. That'll be the best fit for this bedroom and the other. Sweet. Last but not least, let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom, nice and updated. And first off, you'll notice the gorgeous tile flooring in here. It looks awesome. It's very new, very modern, beautiful. On top of that, you got a gorgeous new sink area, hooked up, ready to go. Some large cabinets underneath. Cute little mirror vanity up above with some nice bright lighting. Awesome. On top of that, you have 2 additional closets in this bathroom. So, good amount of bathroom storage. And last but not least, you have the full tub housed at the end over here, all hooked up, ready to go. Beautiful. So once again, this is 395-397 Maple Avenue, Unit 1 in Barrington, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.